Namaste everyone. Hope you guys are keeping safe at home and doing well. Today I want to talk about how you can strengthen your lungs and improve your immunity levels while staying at home. Well, I want to talk about this because the whole world is suffering from the coronavirus. And one of the easiest ways you can save yourself from the virus is by improving your immunity level and by strengthening your lungs, because this virus is attacking your lungs. And as we can all see that everyone is just running around for oxygen cylinders and oxygen generators and oxygen concentrators. But we have our lungs, which are very good at supplying oxygen to our blood, to all the cells that are present in our body. So today I want to talk about the Anulom Vilom Pranayam, which is one of the easiest forms of pranayam. This pranayam will basically help us to fill ourselves with enough amount of oxygen, and good oxygen in the body will keep the cells functioning in the proper way. So let's get started, and let me guide you through this process of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. And towards the end of the videos, I'm also going to talk about the benefits of this pranayam and who can do it and who cannot do it. So let's get started.
Let's start. Take the little and ring finger and rest it on your left nostril, and then keep the thumb on your right nostril. Now exhale and close both the nostril from both the fingers. Suspend breath for 2 seconds. Inhale from the right nostril in 2 seconds and close the nostril for 4 seconds while retaining the breath. Now exhale from the left nostril in 2 seconds. Immediately inhale from the left nostril in 2 seconds and hold for 4 seconds. Then exhale from the right nostril in 2 seconds. This is one cycle. You should perform 10 such cycles.
Now let's talk about the benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. One of the most important benefits is that it helps maintain favorable pressure in the lungs for better oxygenation. Now, what does that really mean? It means that if the lungs are able to absorb enough oxygen, then there will be proper supply of oxygen to different cells via blood. And that will lead to the cells functioning in the right way. So if the cells are healthy, the body is healthy. The second benefit is that it helps improve your concentration. And another benefit is that it helps balance out the different energies in the system, which basically helps in dealing better with pains and aches. So I urge you to practice Anulom Vilom every morning so that you are able to better fight COVID-19 and the effects that it has on your immunity and on your lungs. If you've liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more videos on lifestyle medicine and nutrition. Thank you so much. Have a great day.